The one and only Osebo. Baba, good morning.
Good morning, good morning, good
Akwaba.
morning. Yeah,
Yeah.
When you cried, I couldn't be a should be a bob.
Aye, ni worship.
Uji meko anashito.
Oh, meku.
Correct. Unya chinam.
Yeah.
Put it to left and I say right.
Oh, made it to left.
Put it to left.
Yes.
One pass. Okay, Osebo is our new drive time host. Our Angel 102.9 FM. Fi ene echo ono na abetini din uko fie a na de ato ho na ode wa anante se ajojo akodu fie se ne fata na ode wawura eye newsroom ho na eye kofi adoma nso beso mu na ode tresom news what they ato aso. That's right.
Eh body but come na Osebo ni Jata a dangerous combination. Jata and Osebo very serious. I know what let's drive the whole Accra there. Obiana.
That's right.
Obiana baby binte.
That's right.
Because Osebo and Jata at the same time. It wants to be.
Moye drive time host na moye rough. Yeah. Bakabo. Go.
Big man.
Let's go school Achimota.
Ma come town. Me tina Accra.
Okay.
School ne me funny say me explore Accra.
Okay.
And I'm copy Kumasi.
Okay.
Yes, but
what the rest in the commuter.
Debbie san come Jimmy. But Debbie now me new locks. It's a dear. Apart from experience, I made it back to Accra because I'm the dreadlocks in Sunday.
That's right. But being in Kumasi on Pure FM, hosting the drive time, why and for how long were Pure?
From the inception, 2019. Wow. Say from 2019. If me fear that I'm a buyer and one and I'm your co-host. Okay. Me sign bar on so I'm your co-host. Into think later on 2 years down the line, and I be take you over. The main host. Yes, it's Pure FM from day one. I think my name crew the second crew to speak on air.
First time on air.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. Wow.
But I'm forward surprised and I post here platform so hey they am there to I said data. Most much I said data. Most much na ye to be in papa. Data ne se bon
obi timi bisam say abai guys mo hu ade na na. See I'm a bit mami chom. You see the tiger and as a sebono are very fierce. So ya boy bia okọ gini ope. Sansuna lion no and I say eye jata no ono so no muemu nyina no ye be kasa ono muemu hene. So the tiger attacks, goes for what he wants, and the lion rules. So that's a combination.
Wow, auntie, attacking and ruling at the same time.
Yes.
Hey, come now. Combination what is?
My memo be big Accra. Na me famo Akwaba. Kweku Nyanseni, Accra is not ready. Osebo is a superstar. He has a command on the English language and a radio voice. Janet is here, so wow, welcome on our social media platform, specifically on Facebook. So and Janet is here doing a baby. Also, we welcome you, Mr. Man. Angel Drive welcomes you.
Thank you.
Opoku Osebo, fire. Janko, Ni Cadman, welcome. Jatasebo, we the drive time caucus welcome you.
Thank you.
Let's meet by 3 p.m. Sharp.
And it's a date.
It's a date. If you be what say, if you JB, I say his voice alone is priceless. Hannah Wabe, guess not shall show, guess not. Money fans, come from the council.
Because of the I guess, yeah. The rest of your two have some shots, yeah. Nanim no idea. And
the boss who said Rasta no Rasta ni bia. I know say Saka didn't massacre. You can no. But they say on Sakawa le no more. Oh, Derek Asawa, Osikosibo, fire. Hannah Boabem, the real Jah bless, honorable Togo Boga Emeka Nana Chineduna Pong Ivan. There's a Nipa Bakudi no.
Yes, on one fans.
No.
Hey, my brother, now you cook my
Now, Sebo, Accra, dear. In fact, there's also some why FMs are right.
Yeah. Rebecca said radio mono. Global media. I want to Misha see free. That's why FM Kumasi na Misha see free. Yes.
That's a brothly tree in na to say. Well, usually we will come why is na?
Because why for the normal camp brofu musisi susa.
In fact, yeah.
Changing from brofu to pure and tree no. That is saying
na enye easy. In fact, fi dada animu. Rebecca said, "Yang nana catalyst. I mean to involve. No, I say odi key ebe frabro for a presentation because na normally say o kabro phone ko. So Kumasi.
Yeah.
As I ya near call for needing komo kasom. Say me ka hello no intiman ka I'm not communicating. Internet say ya the fra. But back to it, maybe pure no. I just saw some make us a pure a just like who redeem a last post and a Twitter made the call and cause Pure FM gave me the wings to fly, you know. A ho and I make us say yes, to be very honest, that was because no audience near different from youthful audience now okomuno. So now say you be kakana so no you keep learning. Yes.
So what should people expect?
Well, they should expect nothing but the best. It's going to be swell time on radio. I mean, we're blending through. Say, we are church driver, so we're corporate. I mean, I'm bringing everybody together. And if you don't like radio, I'm making you addicted from now.
Wow. So radio, when you know one. 102.9.
Yeah. But I'm going to artwork into Siciano. No crane, I can't say Jatampa. Nanya wo na hwe nanim wa wo studio ha wo mo se o
me fala no nka ho
na no nka ho wuchinta na mu a wum say ya with da bonsano and you ya with da bonsano say ya with da bonsano what's ya banu ya bonsano Jatabema over bow and sano a real beer phenomenon copy my num pemu on Angel Drive.
Baby, you fine, baby, you cute, baby, you fine.
Okay, finally, anti Dabe na ya shasi na amanfo shasi feeling on sano and your vibes and your voice and that which you brought to us. We are taking crying.
We should make a date. No me and son.
Hey, Nana.
I'm never doing a movie, but I'm going to get
my man come as a intro. Well, a year multimedia ra. Kosuchum. And I'm a copy or a year in the office. First time in my life. Our corporate office. Satam never dabraka. A year.
Trust hours for
them. Trust hours. So Satam never have you do her side. Na Kwesi say. I hear you are a very good presenter. Can you work with me?
Africa way, me boy. Africa way,
no. I say okay. I have several platforms. Which ones would you want to work with? I have Joy FM in Accra. I have Love FM in Kumasi. Adum FM in Sata Adum Otema. So, sir, any of them, sir. So when are you ready to work? Yes, I am. Right now. No. I say, oh, how? Maybe you can go and prepare. I say, sir, now. Sata no personal driver prefer no kwashi. The episode with the late kwashi. I said, we are even. Can you see my driver? We are parking. We are going to Kumasi. Are you ready? I said, sir, I'm ready.
Let's go to Kumasi.
I said, let's go to Kumasi. And then we go to Kumasi.
I go to Love FM.
Once I'm told toothbrush and the paste. Taking crime now. And then 3. I said, so. Okay.
Bay Jumati. I mean, from your Togo Boga to your DJ Richie and Omuna. Many Omuna di Juma. Now, is a continuation of something exciting. Yeah, Twaso. Yes.
You're bringing a different style.
Exactly. Mefa Kunya is so swada a year. Omudi kind of son and by. In fact, with the senior bani there. Me do Kumasi no. Meti nema found.
Oh, Kumasi.
Oh yeah.
Oh, who do Kumasi one?
Oh yeah.
Bushman.
That's the name. Bushman.
What's Bushman?
Yes,
Oh,
yeah. And also to say me for Big Nana.
Yeah, big. Oh, I'm from Big Nana.
Big Nana.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nana the big Akahama.
Aye.
Sister.
Big Nana. So I am, for a very long time. So why are they pave the way? Ma you be. But me some more question maybe sir. I'm tete opa.
Hey, me some tete opa.
Ja, opposite me we no za ma obi.
Ana
o ya den out.
I don't know. Oh yeah, you man when nya crofo betete one I said you man so that.
O any den, otimi kan adrechen crofo ni name na. And and also to the legendary Kofi Ochiame Kofi, the Sacramento driver.
Yes, the Sacramento driver.
Unfortunately, we do not only Kumasi, but so you pa e wochi inti me buy meeting in same be pray. And I mean I think say Michelle no about twice or so, but that was out of radio. It's Medanasi, so on also be a quino. Yes, be a quino na yes, but and also team on your juma. We're here to stay and your juma, and also to Findia. I say you pay we be Johnson and Kaka. Say Johnson and Kaka. And also to young president and founder, Dr. Kwikoting, for having faith in me and believing in me. Say memora. Now, crash ma papa di mama no e ka ona meji tum ze meba, and also to our CEO in so oboy na yes Mr. Yes, the guy.
The master driver.
So you're born at
na o think kasa there.
Oh yeah, feel.
Yeah. No we oga.
In your joke bar.
No, I'm not your guys.
The master driver.
Okay. And then and I say 3 p.m. sharp. Na drive time no. So this time the new driver taking you home. Yes, Sebo. Sebo. Go.
Thank you very much.
Yes, bread loss na ya ba mam kakra. Na this is me baby na.
Problem kakao topo.